What should I do when the screen is dark and blurry? When TV screen is blurry or dark, press the Home button on the remote control to check the screen settings. Please press the wheel button on the remote control to open settings. Click Advanced. Go to Picture and select Energy Saving. Please check Off. Brightness will change depending on the settings. If the screen is still dark after turning off Energy Saving, click Back to return to the Picture menu. Go to Picture and click Picture Mode Settings. Click Vivid. Brightness will change depending on the settings. If this does not solve the problem, reset the picture mode. Please press the Mute button 3 times and click AV Reset. Resetting AV values will appear on top of the screen. If the screen is still dark and blurry, please request for technical support.